Well, that's pretty cool. We're going to go underneath Kirkland's very own truck-eating bridge. So, let's get this on the mount. And let's go. All right. We just dropped off a letter here at the post office. We're going to go underneath the truck-eating bridge, and we're going to go back through that construction site to see if FSD learned not to turn left or recognize the no turn left into the closed freeway on-ramp. So let's make it happen. Hey, the bunny made it. Okay, there was a bunny that ran across the street. But FSD did not stop for it. But it didn't have to, as we didn't hit it. Alright, we're about to cross under our very own City of Kirkland truck-eating bridge. And ever since they put up these banners that say truck-eating bridge and someone made these homemade signs, a lot less trucks have hit this bridge. So thank you, general public, for a 8-cent solution to a problem the city has not been able to solve by just putting up some warning signs. They weren't creative enough. Yeah, but all these triangular signs are warning drivers that this bridge is only 11'6" tall. And if you go under it, the bridge will win, as it has for nearly a century. Or probably about maybe over a century now. The Great Northern Railroad put that bridge in quite some time ago. Alright, here we go. Let's see how FSD will do in this construction zone. Okay, it's handling the coned areas fairly well. Don't know why we're turning. No. FSD was trying to turn left onto the freeway when there was clearly a no-turn indication by the contractor and a road closed because the on-ramp is now closed due to construction. Alright, so hopefully this will go into Cortex, and Cortex will figure out, based off myself and other drivers that have noted the same community note, basically, that this situation where you have lots of cones and an arrow with an X through it, we probably shouldn't turn left. All right, construction zone number 2. We let this play out, but it was long in the game before it realized, maybe I can't turn here. But eventually did figure it out. Or I can't use this part of the lane. I apologize. All right, this concludes our FSD drive. FSD didn't try and back up or park in the parking space at all, but it did park fairly well, just on the road, or against the curb. So that's a win. It is naturally or natively parking a little far from the curb still on this, but it's gotten better. So we'll give it that for today's curb parking performance, or it just happened via a fluke.